Hello everyone, welcome back to Diamond Autos, your trusted destination for the latest car news, in-depth reviews, and honest automotive insights. I'm your host, and today we are taking a detailed look at the 2026 Kia Seltos, redesigned SUV, a model that brings bold styling, advanced technology, and improved performance to one of the most popular compact SUVs in the market. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the full review of the all-new 2026 Kia Seltos. The 2026 Kia Seltos comes with a completely refreshed design that makes it look more aggressive, premium, and futuristic. The front fascia now features a sharper tiger nose grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more muscular bumper design, giving the SUV a commanding road presence. The sculpted hood, bold character lines, and newly designed alloy wheels add a sporty touch, while the redesigned rear with connected LED tail lamps and a modern bumper enhances its premium appeal. Overall, the new Seltos looks more refined, stylish, and dynamic than ever before. Step inside the 2026 Kia Seltos, and you are welcomed by a completely upgraded cabin that focuses on luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. The dashboard layout is more modern, featuring a large curved digital display that integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and improved seat cushioning make the cabin feel upscale. The spacious seating, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, ventilated seats, and multi-zone climate control ensure maximum comfort for both drivers and passengers, making every journey smooth and enjoyable. Kia has equipped the 2026 Seltos with the latest infotainment and connectivity features. The large touchscreen system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital driver display offers customizable layouts. Advanced voice commands, over-the-air updates, connected car technology, wireless charging, premium sound system, and multiple USB ports ensure a seamless and entertaining driving experience. These upgrades make the Seltos one of the most tech-loaded SUVs in its segment. Under the hood, the 2026 Kia Seltos offers multiple engine options, including refined petrol, turbo petrol, and diesel variants, depending on the market. These engines are paired with smooth manual, automatic, and dual-clutch transmissions, delivering a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. The improved suspension setup ensures better ride comfort, while the enhanced steering response makes city driving and highway cruising equally enjoyable. Whether you want performance, efficiency, or daily comfort, the new Seltos delivers on all fronts. Safety has been a major focus in the 2026 Kia Seltos. It comes equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, traction control, hill start assist, 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking provide an extra layer of safety, making the Seltos one of the safest SUVs in its category. On the road, the 2026 Kia Seltos feels stable, comfortable, and confident. The suspension absorbs bumps effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough roads. Cabin insulation has been improved, reducing noise and vibrations, while the refined engines deliver quiet and effortless performance. Whether you're driving in city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Seltos offers a relaxed and enjoyable driving experience. The 2026 Kia Seltos is expected to be competitively priced, making it a strong rival to other compact SUVs in its segment. With its modern design, premium features, powerful engines, and advanced safety technology, it offers excellent value for money. The redesigned Seltos is clearly aimed at buyers who want a stylish, feature-packed, and reliable SUV for daily use and long journeys. To sum it up, the 2026 Kia Seltos, redesigned SUV sets new standards in design, comfort, technology, and safety. It is more stylish, more advanced, and more refined than ever before. If you are looking for a compact SUV that delivers premium features, strong performance, and everyday practicality, the new Kia Seltos is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's detailed review on Diamond Autos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Diamond Autos for more exciting car reviews, latest launches, and in-depth comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay connected with Diamond Autos.